A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. I don't want to waste much of your time, but let us quickly take a look onto what Dr. Walter Muzembe has said responding to Team Emmerson Mnangagwa. Remember, when Muda has gone mad and is attacking everybody left, right, in the center, especially Madzimai, and it's embarrassing to see an old man like Muda doing such things, such embarrassing things. We want to see our leaders leading by example. What do we learn, or what will when elders like Vana? So this is embarrassing, and it's a sign of disrespect which is happening right there. So let me try to bring this right here onto the screen so you understand it. And it's becoming more interesting as each day passes. Team Zimbabwe touch bomba. You know, when you hear Munu Akunzi akupiwa nickname rekunzi touch bomba, something is amiss there. It means pane zvaari kubata zvisingafaniri kunge zvichibatwa. Touch bomba is zita iroro tairiziva kuti vanenge vachibatwa ivavavo havazi vanhu vekungotamba tamba uchingobata bata, and you have to be very careful. So Walter Muzembe has sent a very clear warning here. He said mangwanani muda touch bomba. Iwe mfana, nyaya dzekubhora hadziindi kumba, nyaya dzemusango dzevavhimi hadziindi kumba. Siyana nevakadzi vevanhu. Wakambonzwa tichitukana nevakadzi venyu chero zvaoma sei? Uri kudonedza ED mukufarisa mako imomo wakadhakwa. This is what Walter Muzembe is actually saying. So the major question is, are kudonedza ED how when everything like this is happening? This is a very clear warning which has been sent to Muda Ncube. And remember that Walter Muzembe is one of the key G40s, and to a certain extent they are still powerful in their own sense. And you know, everything which is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe, it signifies something. So to me, I view this as a very important warning, because if you read my tweets, Walter Muzembe right now, he's actually sending my warnings chete. I think in Zulu, he was talking about ivo vachidzoka kuZimbabwe, vamwe vachitokrosa kuenda mhiri, which means there is something which is being worked or upon right now to make sure that the status quo changes. And I can tell you this, guys, I can assure you that this year is very, very critical, especially for those in politics in Zimbabwe. You have to tread very carefully. You must make sure, especially if you are within ZANU-PF or within Nelson Chamisa's party, uripa risk yekuti unogona kungoti political career yako inogona kungodhakwa. I'm using the term career because I know that a lot of people are taking politics as a career. And there are people who take politics as a calling, who were called to be leaders and they joined the politics. But we have people who have taken politics as a career. My warning to these people is, you have to be very careful, and you must mind each and every step you make. And this is a very big mistake which is happening. Muda Ncube has charged vakadzi vevanhu vakawanda and has been warned. But in that warning, hanzi uchenjere kupinzisa Mnangagwa biz. Hanzi uri kudonedza ED mukufarisa mako imomo wakadhakwa. And ED Mnangagwa has been tagged. This shows how serious this matter is. And remember that ED Mnangagwa always watches zvinhu zvinotaurwa nana Walter Muzembe, vana Sylvia Kasukwera, vana Nelson Chamisa, which means this message has reached Emmerson Mnangagwa directly. It's not an issue yekuzonzi shefu kune chinyaya chakadai. This matter has been directed to E.D. Mnangagwa himself, and I know that things are not well within this regime. Things are not well. Natapera ingozi iyo kupenga akuzi kumanya bani chete. That idiot is insane. Chasara kumurambachi. This is what I want to say. The name only tells a lot about a person touching grenade. Okay. So Anzi Owen touch bomber. So guys, if you take a look, if you are not very careful, you'll be surprised by some things. And this is the reason why I'm warning people within the political circles to say, guys, mind your tongue when you are dealing with politics. Mind your tongue. If you believe that you need to be a part of the future, mind how you communicate, mind how you talk to other people. Mangwana vakomana vanomka vadzoka kuZANU PF. Mangwana nosonjamisa nomka akutungamirira. Mangwana vana jobs kala vanomka va official opposition. You don't know what happens, because obviously kana jobs kala ane zvake Chamisa akapinda kutungamirira nyika. Vana jobs kala kana vakasada kujoina Chamisa, they will be the official opposition people. They will come and become the opposition. And you have to know kuti mangwana ndo vanomka vakurira opposition. How are you going to meet each other and see each other under such circumstances? Mangwana Mnangagwa anomka ari yaamhiri kwaLimpopo. How are you going to see each other? Vana Mzembi varivo vadzoka naNakasukwere. How are you going to meet each other? Munosangana sei? You have to think about those issues. I think to those who are very clever and wise, they take advice ya Godfrey Tsenengamo kuti mukudzidza kwake nemukusadzidza kwake, he has seen how bad it is kungotirira vamwe nekungobata vamwe sina musoro, especially when you want to. Izvakasiyana neni, inini there is no way handichazomuka nditi ndakuda kujoina ZANU PF. Inini mafungiro angu handikubona, because where ZANU PF is going iri kuenda musango. There is no way handichamboti ndoda kuti nditi ndinotosvika ndototi shefu kuna Mnangagwa, shefu toita sendinzimanya mukomana naMnangagwa. There is no way I will accept such a thing, you see. So iwewe kana uchiziva kuti you have a political career yauri kuteerera, ngatitaurei zvine uchenjeri zvikanzi that Muda chap Blaz is now as crazy as they come. He needs to check in at a psychiatric unit and be examined. You know, a lot of people are missing the point. Right here, the chinhu chiri kulonjerwa ku Midlands province. Chinhu chalonjerwa ku Midlands province. And the Midlands neMasvingo are the two key provinces kwalonjerwa chinhu cha 2030. That is the reason why uri kuona Masvingo iri kuita dzungu, Midlands iri kuita dzungu. And my youth leaders are kuda kushandiswa. Those young people ukatarisa provincial chairperson of Midlands, vana Matutu vanani. They've been brought back in these cycles so as to start to attack again. They will launch an attack and an attack and an attack. Why? It's because kune munhu ari kuda kusvika 2030 aripo osira mwana wake zvozonzi ma-elections dzichaita 2033. That is madness. Zvikanzi ndakatoshayawo kuti komai Mzembe vapindira papi ipapa. Anyway, kangoma kakuririsa. And that is true. Zvikanzi what if he's a hired gun? You know, when you are a hired gun, unozoona kuti mabullets anosvika paanopera wozotadza kushanda. Andikuzvoona. Zvikanzi powerful message. I hope and pray he is listening. Zvikanzi ngaarambe akadaro zvidone, Muda Benzi ari kusapota Benzi, asi pavakadzi vevamwe ngaakwane please. Okay, zvikanzi ndaibatira padumbu, but kudona kwaMnangagwa as it stands is really good news. Okay, zvikanzi maita basa mamudzora, Muda anopenga nyaya yekupinza vakadzi vevanhu vasinei nepolitics mumaslogan ake haina kunaka chose. It's like I have seen a lot of people payase pavanotaura nyaya dzo maichandisa this maichandisa that. You see, munhu anotoshaya rugare simply because murume wake is in politics. She's an intellectual, ari kutoitawo zvaari kuitawo, vakadzi vari kutoita zvavari kuitawo vakasiyana naMai Mnangagwa. Mai Mnangagwa is directly involved in politics, you see. But vanhu vari kubatwa, they are not part of politics. I don't mind to see Monica Mchangwa achitaurwa nezvake because she's a politician. Ophelia Mnangagwa, she's a politician. Before she became the first lady, anga chitori MP. But vakadzi vese vari kubatwa, they are not politicians, vane their own lives dzavari kurarama. And that is so wrong. Tarisaiona Maeskala, she's doing her own things. And it's wrong. You have to disagree with somebody, but you cannot insult their families. You see, this is the problem of how overzealous ZANU-PF has become. ZANU-PF has become untouchable and overzealous to an extent that but it's wrong. Right now, that they've launched this youth services. Arume tichapinda busy nevana ava. Unogona kungonzi tachibhomba takananga kumashonaland chakadaro tinorova nhengi. Votolodhana nemarori vouya. You see, this is so wrong. The way ZANU-PF is doing its own things, this is Mnangagwa's downfall. Mnangagwa was supposed to self-correct, was supposed to correct things, but he is not actually understanding kuti ambopiwa a chance by the international community. Masanctions are viswa EU and Britain, UK. They are trying to embrace you. IMF and World Bank. They've actually accepted the ZIG. They've actually recognized the ZIG. You see, but Munu anongoramba chingoita my own goals each and every day. Right now, Anamasara uri vari convictwa with the charges. I'm so wasted. Just to stand in solidarity with a comrade who you believe is wrongly accused. You are obstructing justice. How are you obstructing justice when the police officer is still able to deliver, the prosecutor is still able to deliver, magistrate is still able to deliver? Things must be done according to the law, not according to your feelings. And you must make sure that you deal with facts. What does the law say? What are the facts? Not your feelings with it. I feel I don't like this person and this person must be rot in jail. That is so wrong. So you see that this is the problem we have in Zimbabwe. And it is escalating to certain levels where they will fail to control these issues. But I'm glad Walter Mzembe has sent a very a clear warning right here. And in this warning, E.D. Mnangagwa has been tagged and has been included. This is a clear message, Zimbabwe. This is a clear message. Number one, the issue is touch bomber. Touch bomber is something else. It means kune zvikubatwa namuda zvisiri kufanira kubatwa. Zvinotozikanwa kuti iri bomba rume rinoputika ndopari kubatwa namuda. And number two, he has actually raised this, which is highlighted there. These are signs of where we are going. To those who believe that Mnangagwa will go to 2030, guys, sit down, forget and smile. Things are changing. And Walter Mzembe has fired shots. Take a look on what Walter Mzembe is posting these days. Ask Kumira, and is being decisive and clear. Oh man, okay. But thank you very much for coming to Zimbabwe. Let us meet in other episodes as well as other broadcasts.